Hello, darling. Hello, Paul David. Hello, Paul David. You tried to get that Elizabeth into an egg-laying mood again, are you, darling? That beautiful Elizabeth. You happy with your nice new house? I don't know whether you care, but anyhow, you've got it. You like it, love? Elizabeth? There, my precious.